Hello, in today's experiment, we're going to show you how to make water that doesn't mix together. For this experiment, we will need a piece of cardboard, some hot water, some cold water, 2 paints of different colors, and a brush. The first step is to take the paint of the lighter color and mix it in hot water. Now take the darker color and mix it in the cold water. Now take the piece of cardboard and put it on top of the hot water. Now quickly flip it and place it on top of the cold water. Now gently remove the cardboard from between the cups. Now there you go, water on top of water that doesn't mix. How surprising is that? But why does this happen? The molecules of the cold water are less far apart, so it's more dense. They have less energy compared to the hot water. That's why it remains at the bottom. Whereas if you see the molecules of the hot water, they are more far apart, so it's lighter, it's less dense. That's why it stays at the top and doesn't sink to the bottom, which results in water that doesn't mix. Over time, the hot water gets cold. Its density also gets higher, so it starts sinking to the bottom, which results in the water mixing. Thanks for watching! If you'd like to see more of these science videos, please like and subscribe. Also, share this video with your friends so they can enjoy science too.